Welcome to Bike Updater, your ultimate source for the latest two-wheeled wonders. Today, we are taking a closer look at the much-anticipated 2025 Honda XRM 125A. With its fresh design and impressive performance, this new model is turning heads and setting standards for Underbone motorcycles. Modern design and style. The 2025 Honda XRM 125A comes with a sleek, sporty look that's perfect for city streets and country roads alike. Its updated headlight design and aggressive fairings give it a bold presence, while the new color options make sure you stand out on every ride. Honda's keen for detail ensures that the XRM 125A doesn't just perform well, it looks the part, too. Performance and engine. Powering the XRM 125A is a reliable 125 cubic centimeters engine, fine-tuned for both power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating traffic or exploring off-road paths, this bike delivers smooth, responsive performance. Honda's advanced engineering means you get a ride that's both nimble and dependable, perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Comfort and practicality. The ergonomics of the 2025 XRM 125A have been improved to ensure long-lasting comfort. The seat is designed to reduce fatigue, and the suspension system absorbs bumps with ease. Plus, Honda has thoughtfully integrated modern features like an easy-to-read instrument panel and a handy luggage rack, making this bike as practical as it is stylish. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XRM 125A is a testament to Honda's dedication to blending style, power, and practicality. Ready to conquer any terrain and turn every ride into an adventure, it's a solid choice for riders who crave reliability and excitement. Stay tuned to Bike Updater for more updates on the latest models and trends in the biking world.